very important topic, that is positive impacts of corona. We all think that this pandemic has only negative impact on us, but we should keep some points in mind too. So without wasting time, let's get started. Alright, the first point which we feel every day is reduced pollution. Since we all are at our homes and vehicles are not running, there is a gradual decrease in pollution. First time in years, Delhi's air quality improved. Not only that, but plastic and water waste, which polluted both land and rivers, is also decreased. This is all because of our support. Another aspect related to this is lesser carbon footprints. Since factories, machinery and vehicles are not running, there is a very low carbon emission, which is good for our environment too. Since the sky has become cleaner and the oxygen percentage in air is also increasing. Also, the people are now aware of the need to help others as they are becoming self-dependent, and this created a sense of kindness and oneness in their hearts towards a person who need our help. They are now becoming kind and helpful towards others. A large amount of electricity, fuel and water is conserved, which is a result of all of these. They are now aware of the need to develop immunity because it is the only way we can fight this virus. It is my humble request to all of us to stay home, stay safe and be strong. So, I am taking a leave now. Hope you all will enjoy further. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Hello everyone, myself Vaishnavi Khare. Today I am here to speak about COVID-19. So, we have struggled a lot in this year and have also faces many problems because of COVID. The COVID-19 virus has resulted in severe economic and social impacts all around the world. But we should not lose our hopes because we all know that everything will be fine and good after some time. So till then, stay safe, stay home and be positive. To spread positivity all around the world, I am going to sing a song in front of you all. फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी, फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी खुशी, फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे, ना होगी पाबंदी, ना रोके कोई, फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए बांधेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियाँ, गंगे हम मिलकर बांटेंगे, फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
जय 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 हो जय 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 जय. फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी, फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी, फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे, ना होगी पाबंदी, ना रोक ही कोई। फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियां, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे। फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया। जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा 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 इंडिया। फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया।
If you want to beat Corona, wash your hands. If you want to beat Corona, wash your hands. Always wash with sanitizer or a hand wash or a soap. If you want to beat Corona, wash your hands. If you want to beat Corona, wear a mask. If you want to beat Corona, wear a mask. Either wear a handkerchief or a clean and tidy mask. If you want to beat Corona, wear a mask. If you want to beat Corona, stay apart. If you want to beat Corona, stay apart. Always maintain social distance, stay with 1 meter distance. If you want to beat Corona, stay apart. If you want to beat Corona, stay at home. If you want to beat Corona, stay at home. Never think of going out or even run about. If you want to beat Corona, stay at home. If you want to beat Corona, say salam, namaste. If you want to beat Corona, say salam, namaste. Don't go shaking others' hands or touching eyes and nose. If you want to beat Corona, say salam. If you want to beat Corona, do all 5. Wash your hands, wear a mask, stay apart, stay at home, say salam. If you want to beat Corona, do all 5. Wash your hands, wear a mask, stay apart, stay at home, say salam. If you want to beat Corona, if you want to beat Corona, if you want to beat Corona, stay at. If you want to beat Corona, stay at home. Never think of going out or even run about. If you want to beat Corona, stay at home. If you want to beat Corona,
We all need to come together to stop the spread of this deadly coronavirus. In this regards, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has given some simple precautionary measures to stop coronavirus. Let's understand these simple measures. Number 1 is in regards with hands. Please wash your hands often with soap properly. Number 2 is about use of elbow. If you are having cough, please cough into your elbow. Avoid coughing into your hands. Number 3 is concerning face. Avoid touching your face, especially in case you are having cough or cold. Number 4 is related to space. Keep a safe distance with those having contagious disease like cough or cold. Number 5 is in regards with feeling sick. If you feel that you are sick, please stay at home. Also, avoid going outside if not required. Number 6 is about use of mask. Always use mask at crowded places like markets, banks, etc. Friends, do not allow negative thoughts to come in your mind in these harsh conditions. Always remember that there will be a sunshine of happiness even after a long period of darkness. Be healthy, be happy. Thank you.